I will describe the RPL with one word, which is caring. I am Franquil Rodriguez Alonso, and this is my RPL story. I'm from a little island in the Caribbean called Quisqueya La Bella, Dominican Republic. I decided to come to Regina because I wanted to study a postgraduate in business administration. I tried to, get a job real fast. And there were some services for different companies and different websites, and some of them were very expensive. But when I got the services in the library, first of all, it was for free. And the library had a more human touch because it was based on you. The job search before using the RPL services was really tough. I mean, it was like swimming in the ocean without seeing the shore. It was just like filling application without receiving any feedback or any rejection. In the session, they teach you how to network it or initiate a networking process, which is through social media, going door to doors, hand over your resume, get the company to know you. I got a job as a financial analyst, on which I am developing my skills that I got back home and the skills that I got here in Canada. I feel like they really care about me. And even after I got the job, they call me to congratulate me. They send me an email and they tell me if I need anything else, they will be there for me. My career was literally saved because I was kind of desperate. 2 years, now I'm back to my field thanks to the RPL.